In here, I would like to present the material, which is a text description of a washing machine. And in outline, in the first, where is a descriptive text? 2. Purpose of description text. 3. Introduction to modern washing machine. 4. Key feature of a washing machine. 5. Main feature of description text. And last, conclusion and suggestion. Next, what is a description text? Description text is a type of text that attempts to describe an object place, event or reason in the details are clearly so that readers, listeners can imagine of or understand the object as if they saw, felt, or experienced it directly. Next, purpose of a description text are 1. Provide detailed product information. 2. Educate about feature and benefit. 3. Assist decision making, visualization of technical concept, targeting various market segment, and last, build trust by demonstration, material quality, and durability. Introduction to modern washing machine. Modern machine are innovative household appliances designed to simplify laundry tasks while offering advanced feature for efficiency, convenience, and fabric care. They combine cutting-edge technology with user-friendly interface to care to diverse consumer needs from compact model for small hou- household to high-capacity unit for large families. And key feature of washing machine and 1. Capacity, 2. Wash program, spin speed, energy efficiency, and water efficiency. In capacity, range from 5 kilograms to 20 kilograms. I can mention different lot size, and small, daily lot space, bulking, bedding. And 2. Optimal capacity, selection cell, water, energy, and time. 2. Wash program. Pre-programmed cycle for cotton, synthetic, delicate wool, quick wash, heavy duty, and steam cleaning. And specialist model for stain removal, baby clothes, and allergy care. Number 3, spin speed. At-stable spin speed to reduce moisture include shortening drying time and higher RPM. Dry clothes but may require gentler handling for delicate fabric. Number 4, energy efficiency. Rate A++ to G under AU energy levels, higher lighting cell electricity, and reduced costs. And inverter motor, reduce noise and energy consumption by up to 14%. And the last, water efficiency. Advanced sensor adjusts water level based on lot size, saving 30 until 15 water per cycle. In language feature of description text are and number 1, simple present tense. Example, the machine has a durable stainless steel drum. And number 2, action verb. Example, it removes stain efficiently. Number 3, adjective. Example, energy efficient, user friendly, and compact. And last, technical term. RPM, rotation per minute, a sensor, inverter motor, and age. Type of washing machine are 5 and 1 top loading, affordable, space efficient, and faster cycle with an aggregator and impeller mechanism. Ideal for small space but less water and energy efficient. And 2, front loading. Energy and water efficient with super cleaning performance, gentle on fabric, support higher spin speed, stackable with dryer for space saving. Number 3, semi-automatic. Manual trans between wash and spin stops and budget friendly, suitable for area with water scarcity. And number four, fully automatic. Single design with automated wash, reset, and spine cycle. And requires continuous water supply. And number four, advanced technology. Smart connectivity connect to Wi-Fi, enable control via smartphone apps, and a sensor that allow with fabric type and their level touch of the edges setting. Steam wash eliminates allergen bacteria and thought stain without harsh chemical and inverter motor. Reduce vibration, noise, and power consumption. Common mistake and safety ties. Mistakes are overload. Strain the motor and that is cleaning efficient. Brown detergent using non-HE high efficiency detergent in HA machines cause excess should binary maintenance, neglecting filter or drum cleaning leads to mold and odors and unlaced loads, cause excessive prevention or machine displacement. And safety tips number one, ethical safety. Ensure to proper recording and avoid hand block. Number two, water precaution and check hose connection to prevent leaks or flooding. Child safety. Use child lock feature and keep door closed when unused. And load capacity. Follow weight limits to avoid mechanical stress. In the last conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. Washing machines are essential household appliances that simplify daily chores by efficiently cleaning clothes with advanced features. Their role is saving time, water, and effort highlight their importance in modern life. In suggestion, choose energy efficient models. Opt for machines with a high energy rated to reduce cost and environmental impact. And two, regular maintenance. Clean filter and check hose very periodically to extend the machine lifespan. And three, follow guidelines. Plus, there are the manufacturer instructions for optimal performance and safety. And the last, every smart feature consider Internet AI or IoT for better usability and research maybe in future design. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.